How to fix Spotify app crashing. If your app crashes, simply close the application so you can force close it. After that, simply long press on the application and tap on the app info. And once you're on your settings, simply scroll down and head to the storage section, and at the end you'll find clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache. Then head back again and tap on force stop at the very end and tap on OK. After that, close this application and remove from the recents. If this doesn't solve, simply head to your Play Store and see if any update is available to the Spotify application or not. Go to the search bar and type in for Spotify and hit search. Now tap on the app, and if you see any update right over here, tap on it. If it shows open, that means you already have the up-to-date version. However, for future use, tap on the vertical dot and make sure you enable auto update by tapping on it, so that you always get the up-to-date version in the future. If this doesn't solve, try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. You can also check if the outage is on server by going to the browser and simply type in Spotify down detector and tap on it and tap on the first website. Now from here you'll see if the problem is on your end or on the Spotify servers. As there are no current problems with Spotify, that means it is your problem on your device. You can see the graphs for detailed explanations. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.